Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a hamburger menu that is named navigator menu but like a button, okay? So now let's hop into the video. Okay, so let's start by working on our CSS. So this code will be kinda too long, so I'm gonna be leaving the source code in the description, okay? So first of all, let's put like this and type here transform scale X and type over here 1. So we're pretty much done with the CSS over here. Now let's go to our index. So make sure to put it down, okay, because if you put it up it will not work. Make sure to put it down here, okay? Okay, so let's set in the index div and then like that, and make nav class and type here hamburger menu. Pretty easy, okay? So now let's make a div, another div inside it. So div and then class. Let this one be hamburger. Oh, I'm confused. Let it be navlink, okay? Let it be navbar. And this hamburger menu, okay? So now let's type div, okay, and type class equal those and put line and then like 1. Easy. Okay, let me do this 3 or 2 more times, I mean. So we're gonna just change this to 2 and this to 3, and that's pretty good. Now let's add ul and then class and navbar, sorry, equal, and then navbar or navlist, I mean. I'm kinda confused now, my brain cells are dying, okay, because I barely remember what should I type. So nav items, and let's close it like this. And then a ref equal. So here you will put the index. Okay, so your index or your place that you want to go to, and then class equal nav, and here you'll put nav link. Okay, close it and type here home, like the home page. Pretty easy, I guess. So now let's do this again and again and again. Okay, so it will be like this and this, and one more time. Okay, so this will be commands.html. Let's type here commands. This will be projects, and let's type here projects, and this will be report, and let's type over here report. Okay, so now it is done, but if I reload, as you can see it is there and it's pointer, but it don't work. If I press like here, it don't work. So to make it work, we need to make some JavaScript, and that's actually pretty easy. Okay, so javascript.js, let's make script here, and const menu icon equal documents, or document dot selector, this one. Okay, and then this and dot hamburger menu. Okay, and then const navbar, and this documents or document dot the same selector. Okay, and then let's put here dot navbar. Okay, now let's add menu icon dot add event. Okay, listener, and then click. So when someone click on it, basically, like this. We pretty much worked with JavaScript, so we kinda know how is it going to work. So dot class list and dot toggle change. Okay, so change. And now we are done with the JavaScript part, but you need to go to the index over here and add script, and it will be like source, and put here dot slash or dot slash script, or yeah, put your file that you put the script in it, and then now here put nothing, just leave it like that. Okay, if I reload the page now, okay, and try to press on it. Wait, I did something wrong, the middle one don't work. Wait, let me check the CSS real quick.
2 hours later.
Okay, so I just fixed everything. I had a couple errors in here and there. It took me some time to realize what I did wrong, but don't worry, you have source code in the description. So now if I go to my website and reload, if I pressed on this, as you can see, it is now an X, and we got those. And if I pressed on home, I'm already in home, as you know. If I press on commands, I go to commands, and if I pressed on anything else like projects, I go to projects. So what if I want to put it in all pages? That's actually pretty easy, it is not that hard. Just copy this part, go to the page, and remove this because we don't need it. Put it down here, and go to the other ones and add it to there. So now I just added it to all of them, but there is one more thing we need to do, is basically just copy all of this and also paste it in the other CSS's. Okay, so like here and here and here. So now if I go to my website and reload, okay, let me go to projects. I still have this and I can use it. This is because, let me go to my thingy over here. Let me remove this, the link part. We need to remove it so we don't ruin the hamburger menu. Okay, here too. Okay, now if I reload again, as you can see, it is totally working. Nothing is wrong. And if I go to home, here I am. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.